Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to build WebGL in Unity. WebGL allows your Unity game to run directly within a web browser, making it incredibly accessible to players without requiring any downloads or installations. This powerful feature leverages standard web technologies like HTML5 and JavaScript, opening up your game to a vast audience across various devices. It's a fantastic way to share your creations widely and easily. Before building, you'll need to prepare your Unity project. First, switch your build target to WebGL within the Unity editor. Next, optimize your textures and other assets to reduce the overall file size, which is crucial for faster web loading. Don't forget to configure your player settings for optimal resolution, compression, and memory usage. Finally, confirm that any third-party plugins you are using fully support the WebGL platform. Once your project is ready, the next step is to build and export your WebGL game. Simply select the Build option from the File menu in Unity. You will then choose an empty folder where all your WebGL output files will be saved. The build process generates several essential files, including HTML, JavaScript, and various data files. These components collectively contain your entire game and the necessary Unity WebGL player. After building, the final step is to host and deploy your WebGL game. Upload the entire generated build folder to a web server. It's important to ensure your server supports the necessary MIME types for all the files to load correctly. Thoroughly test your game on various web browsers and devices to confirm everything works as expected. For optimal performance and faster global access, consider utilizing a content delivery network, or CDN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.